Ladies and gentlemen, my granddaughter Olivia DeFelice, who's sitting next to me, heard me talk about Doctornauts the other day, and she was very curious about what Doctornauts are all about. And she wanted to ask me some questions, so I thought her questions are so important that we would put them on film for everyone to listen to and listen to my answers. Olivia?
Grandpa, what is a Doctornaut?
A Doctornaut is a doctor that volunteers for a study, a clinical study. For example, if you have diabetes and you have to test a new drug, so a Doctornaut, which is a doctor who can volunteer and take a greater risk in clinical studies than a normal patient, than a non-physician, because doctors have the responsibility to find cures for the patient's diseases. So that's what a Doctornaut is.
Why are they so important?
Because in order to discover new therapies to cure diseases, brain tumors or whatever, you need to have clinical studies. And the problem today is it's very difficult for people to participate in a clinical study to test a new therapy, because we have so many rules and regulations now that it costs so much money. Now, if you're a doctor and volunteer for a clinical study, you will say, look, I won't sue you. I don't have to go by the rules of the government. I will volunteer from doctor to doctor. That means the cost will come down to conduct clinical studies, and we will have more clinical studies done and more discoveries made within a very short period of time.
What is a Doctornaut Act?
The Doctornaut Act is, I need Congress, I need the government to pass a law that permits doctors to volunteer for clinical studies with much less problems than with regular patients who volunteer for clinical studies. So the Congress must pass a law in order for that to happen.
Can Doctornauts help children?
Oh, you bet your life they can help children. For example, if a doctor has leukemia, which is a cancer of the white blood cells, and we can test a drug in a doctor more easily, and we will discover more drugs for leukemia, then that same drug in a doctor can be used to treat children with leukemia. It's a wonderful opportunity for children.
Grandpa, I'm going to tell all of my friends to tell their moms and dads to go on your website and help you.
Hey, you bet your life. We need all the help we can get. And the website is F as in Frank, I, M as in man, D Felice, D-E, F as in Frank, E, L-I-C-E. All one word, lowercase. We need your help. Thank you, Olivia.
You're welcome.